So in this section, I would like to discuss about the fundamental terminologies with reference to bioprocess technology. In my opinion, bioprocess technology is none other than it is fermentation technology only. So fermentation technology is one of the oldest term, and now the newest term is bioprocess technology. Even I would say that the biotechnology has itself originated from the fermentation technology, because fermentation being followed by the human beings from centuries ago. So what is a fermentation? What is the fermentation means? Fermentation is the process involving the biochemical activity of organisms during their growth, development, reproduction, even senescence and death. So fermentation is a process wherein we are getting some useful products from the microbial organisms through their growth, either during their growth or their developmental stages, or during their reproduction stages, or even during their death phases. So microbial products can be extracted from both all these phases of microorganism, and the entire process of making use of the biochemical activity of the organism for useful products is called as fermentation. So that is process itself is a biochemical activity of organisms. That is the fermentation process. So what is fermentation technology? Fermentation technology is nothing but use of the organisms to produce food, pharmaceuticals, alcoholic beverages, industrial chemicals and other things on a large scale industrial perspective. So fermentation technology is the process of making the products in a larger scale in an industry setup. That is what called as fermentation technology, which uses fermentation. In other term, it uses the microorganisms. So what is now a bioprocess? A bioprocess is any process that uses complete living cells. Either it can use complete living cells or their components to obtain desired products. This process, I think again we are commonly referring to as fermentation only. And so a bioprocess technology is now equivalent to biotechnology. So that is what I wanted to emphasize in this sector, that bioprocess technology is equivalent to fermentation technology. It is nothing but making use of microorganisms and their biochemical processes to make products for human usage in a large scale industry perspective. That is called as fermentation technology or bioprocess technology.